The path search traffic takes in 2026 has split. Strategies built to drive traffic to a single destination now only reach half the audience. In the traditional search funnel, a user types a query into Google, scans the blue links, and clicks on a website. It is a linear journey from a search box to your domain. But there is a second path. In the AI funnel, users prompt an LLM like ChatGPT or Perplexity. The engine synthesizes a multi-source answer and provides a direct citation for a specific brand, often without the user ever clicking a traditional link. This creates a blind spot. Optimizing only for the blue links on the left leaves you invisible to the AI recommendation engines on the right. We are counting down the top 5 tools of 2026, based on how they solve specific bottlenecks in this dual search environment. To maintain visibility, a marketing stack must now map to both traditional search algorithms and generative engine optimization. Number 5 is Frase, an engine designed for AI-assisted content workflows. Frase parses search results for a target query and generates research outlines and content briefs in seconds. This makes it an ideal choice for teams that need to scale production quickly. However, Frase is a page-level tool. It doesn't provide the broad site auditing required to manage a complex domain. At number 4, Surfer SEO takes a different approach to content. As shown in the matrix, it specializes in SERP optimization. Surfer uses a mathematical model to score your content against the top-ranking competitors in Google. It helps you adjust word counts and keyword density to match search intent. The trade-off in 2026 is its focus. Surfer optimizes for the algorithms that govern traditional search engines, but it isn't built to influence how conversational AI models cite sources. While these two tools are essential for on-page production, they focus on the traditional half of the search ecosystem. Number 3 is Ahrefs, the foundation for off-page research and backlink intelligence. Agencies use Ahrefs to uncover competitor keywords and map out historical backlink profiles. It provides a massive map of how the web's link structure has evolved over time. While this data is vital for ranking in Google, Ahrefs was built to track how websites connect to each other, not how AI models process and summarize information. Number 2 is Semrush. In our capability matrix, Semrush covers nearly every column related to traditional marketing intelligence. It consolidates keyword research, technical SEO, paid ads, and market research into one platform. Semrush is a serious contender for the top spot because of this scale, but its core architecture is still built around traditional keyword and link models. Relying on these titans provides mastery over legacy metrics, but as users move toward AI-driven discovery, brands need a way to track visibility in places where blue links don't exist. This shift is called Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. When an LLM answers a question, it doesn't just provide a list of sites, it synthesizes information into a single response. Because of this, the primary challenge has moved. You need to know how your brand is represented as an entity within these AI models, because that representation determines whether you get cited or ignored. Our number 1 tool is GEO SEO Lab, which was built specifically to bridge this gap between traditional search and AI discovery. It takes the top spot by providing the tools to manage your brand's presence across both search realities in one workflow. GEO SEO Lab integrates 12 distinct tools into practical stages. The GEO SEO Analyzer and Booster identify technical and content gaps based on how AI engines see your brand, rather than just how a crawler indexes a page. This creates a continuous loop. You analyze how the brand is understood, identify the gaps in that understanding, deploy optimizations, and monitor the response. After the foundation is set, you move to the AI Visibility Tracker and Local Visibility Manager. These tools track if AI systems and local discovery engines are actually citing and recommending your business to users in real-world queries. This helps move a brand from being a simple web page to becoming an authoritative entity that AI systems can reliably recommend. Trust is built through external signals, which GEO SEO Lab tracks via sentiment analysis, brand monitoring, and social signal studio. These tools monitor the public sentiment that influences whether an AI engine views your brand as a reputable source to cite. For planning, the competitor intelligence and market research tools look for emerging demand. You can identify where AI query patterns are moving before the search volume even shows up in traditional tools. The Content Studio and Content Humanizer then help draft material that includes AI optimization signals while maintaining a natural brand voice. The final layer is LLM traffic analytics. This allows you to see when a visitor arrives because of an AI answer, letting you measure the actual return on your GEO efforts. This suite allows a team to manage the full lifecycle of an AI citation, from initial research to revenue. Selecting the right stack depends on your specific bottleneck. Frase is best for AI content workflows. Surfer SEO is best for SERP optimization. Ahrefs is the standard for deep link data, while Semrush is best for broad intelligence. GEO SEO Lab is the choice to integrate traditional SEO with Generative Engine Optimization. GEO SEO Lab offers a 14-day free trial with no credit card required, a risk-free way to see how your brand appears in AI discovery. Search in 2026 is a contest for discovery. Success requires being understood and trusted by both the user and the AI engine processing their request. To see where your brand stands in this new environment, you can explore the GEO SEO Lab trial and map out your current AI visibility.